Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everybody, checking in on BAC as the banking sector is coming back to life. So we can see a very strong uptrend over the past few months, and then we consolidated for over a month, and it was steady and consistent, lower highs and lower lows. The bulls defended the 50-day moving average. We did close below it a few times, but it was clear that the bulls were beginning to attempt to show up. Personally, looking back at this chart, of course it's in hindsight, and hindsight is easy, but if I were watching this chart, I personally was not playing BAC, but if I were, I would be looking to enter once the middle Bollinger Band becomes support again, because look at it hold as support here 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row, clear bearish break, and then resistance 1, 2, 3 rejections. So this candlestick right here, September 30th, big bull volume, the highest volume we had seen in weeks, closing above the middle Bollinger Band resistance, and then if you needed any kind of confirmation, there it is the next day, the back test and hold of that new level of support, affirming that strength and giving confidence for the bulls to continue to the upside. So we are seeing decreasing volume on this move to the upside, which does tell me we are likely to see some consolidation in the near-term future. 1624 was the high, and we got up to 1623 now, so we have a triple top at that level. If we cannot break 1624 tomorrow, that's going to be our pullback indication, and we'll be looking down at 1604 as support, which was the low of today. So some more indications of strength. The weekly bullish reversal hammer bouncing right above the 200-week moving average support, maintaining this 100-week moving average support by closing above it 3 weeks in a row as it was tested, and now the big-time bullish confirmation of that hammer. So that week ended, let's see what that date was. The week ended on the 30th, so that end of the day, on that big bull day that would have been my signal on the middle Bollinger Band, was the signal with a very strong close and bullish reversal hammer. And then we get that follow through this week. So some nice indications shown by the daily chart. Middle Bollinger Band on every time frame is very key for me personally. And we can see the bullish MACD following through once we back tested and held that support. So the bankers are looking strong, but BAC double top at 1624 needs to break tomorrow. And if it does not, we will likely consolidate on that daily time frame. And there's a gap to be watching here, 1663 as the next target if the bulls do break that top. So we'll keep checking back in on the banking sector and BAC here. I appreciate you watching. If you could like and share this video, if you approve of, well, if you like it, if it gave something useful, that would be appreciated. And I will check back in. Have a great night.